Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to fix hide photos album option missing in iPhone. So as you can see right now I'm on my iPhone Photos app and here's I'm in my album section, and if I scroll down, as you can see, the hidden album or hidden folder is not showing up on my Photos app. It's because hidden photo album is turned off in our iPhone settings app. So to fix this error, you have to go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down and tap on photos. Under photos, here you will find these show hidden album options. All you have to need is just enable show hidden album and then relaunch your photos app. Go to albums and here scroll down, and now here you will find the hidden album. Now you can easily hide any photo in your hidden album section. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.